Hey guys, it's Tom Stearns and Ben Williams, and we're back to bring you another Tactical Tuesday. And you know, as Ben and I were talking, PCS season is approaching, so I'm going to let you expand on that a little bit.
Yeah, I think with the PCS moves coming up and everything, I think it's very important for service members to keep in mind that, say for instance, we'll use an example of you've got to be in place by July 1st. So a lot of times, you know, you want at least a couple weeks buffer there for your household goods to get there and get in place, but you also got to consider how long it's going to take to close on a home. And it's just not a short-term thing. Sometimes it could take 30 to 35 days. And then plus two, you want another month or two to actually find a house you're looking for, especially in a very competitive market.
Right.
So keep in mind, folks, when you get your orders, that it's very important that you start right away, contact your trusted real estate agent or loan officer to get that set up right away, so you'll be ready to go and be in place, so you can get your household goods there and be ready to go when you get to your next duty station.
Absolutely. For more information, you can call either one of us. We also have PCS toolkits that are also extremely helpful. Remember, who you work with matters. Make Tuesday tactical.